ever entered his head.
Goodwin, Nathaniel, an American who was opposed to Mormonism, but who adopted it on a progressive and newspaper scale.
Goose, mother, a fine old lady who was loved by all, but who told some awful untruths to the innocent.
Gordon I. L., editor of Who Was Who. Probably the greatest writer who ever lived. Spent early childhood in infancy. At the age of 14 began shaving and wearing long trousers. At 21 Gordon was considered of age. Began writing while a child. Penmanship so poor he took to the typewriter. Wrote Who Was Who with hope someone would purchase it. Someone did. Ambition? He considers this personal and will not be quoted. Recreation, looking for publishers. Address, Paris when financially able. Other times in one of those confounded newspaper offices.
Gorky, M., a resident of Russia who became unpopular with the government and moved. He endeavored to make a lecture tour of the United States, accompanied by another man's wife. Learned that this was not the usual custom in America. His managers and hotel proprietors requested him to continue his travels. Ambition, a czarless Russia. Less fussy people. Publications, much unpatriotic literature.
Gray, the man who wrote a clever cemetery poem, the first line of which is remembered by everybody.
Great, Peter the shipbuilder, and the only ruler of Russia who never was bombarded, was also unique in the fact that he worked. Historians claim this was due to his poor salary.
Grote, John, proprietor of a celebrated house located some distance from Land's End.
Guillotin, doctor, a French inventor of a popular method of decapitation, who had such confidence in his invention that he was the first to give it a practical demonstration.
Gulliver, a Munchausen doctor, Cook-Peary traveler who never submitted his proofs, but who found a credulous publisher and a gullible public. Never lectured.
End of section 5. F and G.